We're waiting at the traffic lights at Princess Drive. Going to move across into the left-hand lane, positioning ourselves for going straight on at the first roundabout so that we can turn left at the second roundabout. As we move forwards onto the roundabout, we need to maintain good lane position well to the left. Check your mirror, give a left signal. Cancel signal. Turning left at this roundabout, so you're checking your mirror and giving a left signal again. We can also use this lane to take the second exit. Turning left, first exit. Coming from the opposite direction with McDonald's on our right, we're going to be turning right at this roundabout, taking our third exit. So checking your mirror, giving a right signal. Move on to the roundabout, moving into the right hand lane. And as we come round the roundabout, we switch our signal off so that we can just stay between these two white lines. Now this is the third exit coming up. We don't need to give an exit signal because we're in lane position. We're going to be going straight on at this next roundabout, and as we come off this roundabout, we're going to be coming off in the right of the two lanes. You'll see what I mean in a moment. Keeping over to the right, checking our left door mirror, give a left signal but come off in the right of the two lanes, cancelling signal. Then maintain this position. Now this position is correct for turning right at the next junction at the bottom of this hill. Because we're in lane position, we don't need to be giving a right signal. As we move into the junction, we're giving way to the traffic that will be approaching from the left. If the filter arrow on the traffic lights comes on, that means that the traffic approaching from the left will be stopped. We don't need to give an exit signal at this point. Coming from the opposite direction, giving way to traffic approaching from the right. We're going to be going straight on at this first roundabout, turning right at the second roundabout going towards the M40. You can clearly see the road markings. If we wanted to turn left or turn left at the second roundabout, then we would be in the left hand lane. We're in this right hand lane because we're going to be going straight on at the first and turning right at the second. As you move on to the roundabout, keep well over to the right hand side. Stay within your lane. Check your mirrors, give a left signal, cancel signal, stay in this right hand lane. Check your mirrors again and give a right signal. We're turning right, that's your third exit. Checking your mirrors again, giving a left signal. Come off to the left hand side, cancelling your signal. We're coming down Europa Way and going straight on at the next two roundabouts. It's important we select the correct lane position on the approach to the first one for what we're going to do. So keeping well into this left hand lane, remaining in the left hand lane, we do not need to give a signal as we come off the roundabout. If we did want to turn left at this next roundabout, then we'd be checking our mirrors and moving into the left hand lane. But we are going to be going straight on, so we just stay where we are. As we move forwards, we just stay between these white lines, checking our mirror, giving a left signal, keeping to the left, then we can just cancel our signal. Now this lane position is correct for going straight on at the next junction. We don't need to be giving any signals at this point. Coming down the Mighton Road, we're turning right at this first roundabout and right at the second one. Check your mirror, give a right signal, move yourself into correct lane position. Now it's clearly marked on the road which lane you should be in for your destination. As we move on to the roundabout, keep your right signal going. Quite important you get the timing right now for changing from the right to the left signal, so check your mirrors, give a left signal, move across in the right hand lane, cancelling signal. Check your mirrors again, give a right signal, we're taking the third exit. Maintain good lane position. Checking your mirrors again, giving a left signal, keep to the left and cancel signal. Coming down Europa Way, we're turning right at this roundabout, taking the second exit, so check your mirror, give your right signal. You can see the lanes are clearly marked, so just keep in this right hand lane. As we move forwards, keep the right signal going. About here, start checking your mirrors, giving a left signal, moving over towards the left. This is your second exit. We're coming past the retail park. We're going to be turning right at this first roundabout and then right at the second roundabout. So we're checking our mirror, giving a right signal, and as you can see we're moving into the right hand lane. As you move on to the roundabout we can cancel the signal and just remain in this lane. We don't need to give an exit signal at this point, and we just keep this lane position all the way down to the next roundabout. About here we can be checking our mirror, giving a right signal. So we're turning right at this roundabout, that'll be your third exit. Checking your mirrors, giving a left signal, this is your third exit. We're approaching the same roundabout from the opposite direction. We're going to be turning right at the roundabout, taking our third exit. On the approach we check our mirrors, we give a right signal and move into the right hand lane. Now you can see the road is clearly marked. The left hand lane is for turning left, first exit. We can also use the middle lane for turning left. The middle lane is also there for going straight through the roundabout, and the right hand lane is for turning right. As you move on to the roundabout, keep your right signal going. Check your mirrors, give a left signal, move across to the left hand side. Cancel signal.